It looks like 817 in the firewall, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I couldn't see the PBTs and they're all green. And can you see the T? Yeah. Right at the bottom of the trim tag you can see a T. I don't know what that says there.
847? 8 something, right?
817 or 877's over there, but then there's something like a B or something. You can see it behind
Right
where the distributor was.
Here?
Yeah. There's the little fitting where the oil pressure line goes through. And what else do we need to check out?
Oh, the brake light switch is anodized.
Yeah. You know to buy that thing, Eric? You have to buy it home sale.
Yeah.
We can do a close-up of the trim tag too.
And you're stepping on my
Okay.
light.
Move that, yeah.
Can you read the letters? There we go, right there.
Yeah. 07C. Alright. What else do we need to see here? This is interesting that the original hose clamp on the top one here is the 69 style. See that?
Mm-hmm.
How about the
Look at the blend on that.
big black 3/8 fuel line with the little keeper there that goes right on the motor mount? What?
I was just looking at the blend of the firewall to the...
The green, yeah, the green and the black.
It's like subtle.
Yeah, it's just shot over, sprayed over it, you know. What else can we check on here? The grill. Focus. Up in here. It's riveted to the keepers. Batteries are going dead already. Ah, for Pete's sake. Horns.
Hey, is that 877?
Look at the top bolt. The top one's way up high. It's got a big washer on it with the silver bolt with the serrated teeth.
Could that be an 877 on a firewall correlating with the...
Yeah, 877.
Down here?
Yeah, where is that? Right there. 877K. It doesn't really look like a K though that was written up there though, does it?
No. But that could be 877 up there.
Yeah, it is an 877. Yep. There's the correlation. These bolts on the fender.
Willie.
No washers on them.
Yeah.
And then they got this kind of goofed up.
It's backwards. The washers...
They got washers on one, no washer on the other one. And no washer. And nope, these two both have washers. So they goofed that up.
What about up here? Anything?
They also, we noticed that the bolts holding the front of the fender over there doesn't have a big washer on the bottom one. And then the one up on top has a big washer on it.
It does. And this side...
And this side over here, was it the same?
No, it's right.
And this side, that's got a big washer on the top and a big washer on the bottom. Okay. Where'd they go? Focus. Square nuts. Square nuts.
Wait until I do my one night engine compartment detail. You'll be thoroughly impressed. And I'm leaving the rotted headers on it.
No, not yet.
We'll just clean the mouse out of there.
Okay. Bye. RBW?
Yeah.
It's a silver RBW
Put all that in that little
bolt on the top of that grill panel.
Oh, I'm gonna out some more. It's all the way. Specialties. Yeah. It's a little busy with that. Hold on just a minute. Monte Carlo trunk mat, what are they?
I think they're 20 bucks.
20?
I think so.
Okay. The trunk mat should be right around 20 and
See some black paint on that, show that it was originally painted black. Pardon?
okay. What's the difference between a Monte Carlo and a Chevelle trunk mat?
Same thing.
And I do have a trunk mat.
Black doorknob button. That's also black. Standard interior has the chrome on the dash pad. This one happens to have a wood grain ashtray. No paint, silver plated. Fender bolts not painted, shims are not painted, hinges and all the hinge bolts are painted. Large washer head trim screws. Note the difference on the door panels.
That's all I need is going in the original paint. Oh!
Non-factory installed speaker there. small washer heads.
Does this car look more when it's the original painted?
Painted. I'm sure that that's the factory screw, but I'd never put one in another restoration. The screw holding that vent in. That one.
Don't call you up to be a judge?
No.
They never do?
Nope.
No kidding.
Well, I wouldn't vote for all their friends. That's all politics, that
Yeah, it
nonsense.
is.
Painted or that.
So they just hate.
Back axle snubber. Large washer on the top. I'll lose my light here. Small washer on the two. Can't really see it. Anyway, small washers on the two sides and a large washer on the top.
How much longer for the videotaping?
Get her on the list.
This package boy's stressed because he's got to answer the phone.
I had the phone here.
I got it in my hand.
Okay.
The other one rings too.
Yeah. Take the other one off. I got some new ones. Can you hold on a minute? Okay.
Wherever it gets torn apart is where it's going to stay for a while. Sure.
God,
Might as well hit it right here. Still get into that.
Hello, Ron. Hey there. Shannon's playing his arm
A
hurt.
little dent in the quarters, only damage in this whole car.
Right.
No rust at all. Nothing. Zero. Never. There it is. We're getting ready to pull the subframe out of it and start detailing.